Hey Rush fam, how is everybody doing? So we're here in New Kingston. We're on Nutsford Boulevard to be specific, and we're gonna take a first look at a new construction right here in New Kingston. Not very far from here. Not a very big construction either, but it is a construction. So as you know, I always try to keep you guys updated. Any new development, any new construction, you know, the Discover Boss is always here to keep you guys posted. So thanks for clicking on this video. Let's take a little drive. We're gonna drive around there. Without a doubt, you know, it's all zinked up, so you won't be able to see much. However, I'll still set up the drone so we can see some aerial shots as well. So you guys stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for all the support. We're on the way to 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. And if you're around someone that has a smartphone that has internet, just borrow their phone. You know, borrow their phone, subscribe. You know, if you're at home and your kids haven't subscribed, borrow their phone, subscribe. Your friend, your aunt, your uncle. You know, it's teamwork. And it's an awesome movement that we've created, just highlighting, you know, some of the positivity happening in Jamaica. So Trinidad Terrace, that's where we're at. The New Kingston Police Post is right here on the right. And then a few commercial entities right here on the left. Alright, so this construction on the right, you know, it has paused for a while, for a good while, probably a few months for sure. So they're building like a conference room, I think a multi-level parking. Alright, and that construction is a part of the former Wynnum Hotel. So we're going to turn on to Altamont Crescent. It's a part of the former Wynnum Hotel that caught fire a few years ago. So they're doing a complete renovation and expansion. So we're now heading to the construction site. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. So in the top right hand, I know you just saw the Pegasus Hotel. Currently the tallest building in Jamaica, but we know we soon have a new kid on the block. It's just a matter of time. Then a few commercial development here, along with the Sunset Inn Hotel. Then we'll take the left here. So we're now on Haining Road. The construction is literally on the left. But you know, as usual, it's gonna be all zinked up. So it's right over here. So I'll eventually fly the drone so I can, you know, give you guys a better look. Upon observation though, it seems as if there's another construction that's gonna be happening on the right, because I see another zinked up complex. Because a few of these lots on these minor New Kingston roads, they were the property that was on the lots was a bit run down, and some of them didn't have a tenant for years. So I think what they may be doing is just to revitalizing the area and repurposing the lots as well. So a few apartments on this road as well, along with other commercial entities. So let me give you guys a glimpse outside, and then we basically set up the drone. So you guys stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so just a few glimpses. We won't be able to see much, but I'm just showing you guys the area. And then, as I mentioned, now there's another construction right here on the right. I think this one is very new because the last time I passed, it wasn't here. So I don't think they even start foundation on this one as yet. So we have DHL on the left, and as I mentioned, a few other commercial development. Let me give you guys just a view through my window. So as we see a few decent sized lots on this road, and some of them, you know, not the best of use. I think some of them don't even have, you know, full tenant capacity. So I guess they're, you know, just developing the area. So you can see this is an older type house they converted to a business lot. So without a doubt, yeah, so without a doubt I know these buildings will be multi-level, you know, just to have more tenants and, you know, better use of space. And I wouldn't be surprised if some of these becomes even BPO call centers, because, you know, New Kingston is full of call centers. Alright, so it's just a glimpse of the area. So we're coming off Haining Road. Just wanted to show you guys the area. We have the back end, or the back of First Global and ICWI. So we're just gonna go back in New Kingston, and then we basically send up the drone. So we take the left onto Trafford Place, and then we're back in New Kingston. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the drone. I'm just gonna show you guys some aerial shots of the area and of the development that we're highlighting.